There's fear and anxiety in the minds of the people of the state that due to incessant rains, flooding, inundation, landslides and waterlogging has been witnessed in several parts of the state. And also due to the incessant rains and the heavy flow of the Valvanti River on National Highway 748 road at Tulshimara in Parye Panchayat, in Parye constituency, several trees have been uprooted and embankments along the roadsides have also been washed away. The steps the government has taken in this matter.
Speaker, sir, in the last 15 days, Goa has witnessed heavy, incessant rain, and as per the latest record, the excess is almost 45% of the normal precipitation in the month of July. Due to incessant rains, the water level of Valvanti River has risen above normal, and due to heavy flow of the said river, the embankment of NH 748 AA at Tulsimala have eroded and the trees along the embankment has uprooted. Immediate steps have been taken to prevent further landslides by protecting the said portion of the embankment with rubble stone pitching. The area has been barricaded for safety of traffic. Once there is respite from heavy, incessant rains, construction of retaining wall, protection wall will be taken up to prevent damage to the embankment due to occurrence of floods. With the above measures and submission, there should be no fear and anxiety in the mind of the people.
Speaker, sir.
Honorable member.
Speaker, sir. Wozo Rosto Asa, Tulshimara, it's a 50-meter long stretch along the banks of the river Valvanti. And due to, I think, over the years and due to continuous erosion, आणि आता incessant continuous heavy rainfall, especially in आमच्या भागान, आणि the Valvanti river, it's already the level is very high right now, and a very rapid flow of the river. The entire embankment of that 50-meter long stretch has got washed away. And because of that, there is this erosion of the embankment. And to rosto saglo kosara, and that main stretch is the national highway, which is NH 748. And from Sakri to Chorla Ghat, that is Sakri to Belgaum, that is the main stretch. And lot of vehicular traffic, whether it's the goods carrier or whether it is the school buses going every day from there, nala shetkari thai wata, tourists which pass on that road. So it's a very, very busy route. So मागता की जाता तितले begin disaster management and PWD माननीय मुख्यमंत्र्यांकडे मागता की जाता तितले begin या रस्त्याचे reinforcement करून like a retaining wall, build the embankment again for the river. आणि कालच prudent media again, I couldn't put it in this because it was last minute, but where my Keri checkpost is there, 1 kilometer to that on Chorla Ghat, just last evening, again there has been a very dangerous landslide on Chorla Ghat, and prudent media has come out with the news. Ani again that whole half the road has collapsed and due to the landslide, and right now that road is balanced. It's like it's balanced only on the underground pipe, the drainage pipe which is passing through and through from one side to the other. So the entire road, the Chorla, that road stretch is only on the right now on that pipe. So मागता परत माननीय मुख्यमंत्र्यांकडे की तोही बी चोरला घाटीत the road, because it again it's the same national highway with so much vehicular traffic, truck, bus every day on this. begin मातशें तुमी लक्ष घालून हे जाता तितले begin हे काम करून घेवचें. Thank you.
Carlos Ferreira.